Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to design homepage with Elementor. So let's begin. Alright, so to design the homepage with Elementor, the first thing that you need to do is to go inside the plugins and click on add new plugin, and here you have to search for Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here, we have already installed Elementor here, so now we just have to update this. Perfect. After this, what we need to do, we have to go inside the pages and click on all pages, and here we will simply create a new page. So let's click on add new page, and here let's just write down home page. Now let's click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so here in the Elementor editor, I'll simply add a new container. This will be the single column structure. Alright, so here what I need to do, I have to add few things. The first thing that I would like to add is the heading, and after this, what I would like to add, I would like to add some text, and after this I would simply like to add a button. Okay, so now what I need to do, I have to put the text into the center, and I would like to change the text color and also the font size. Alright, so I think this is looking okay, and same goes for our text. So let's put this into the center, and we'll go inside the typography. Let's just change the font size here. Okay, so this is looking fine, and in the last we have the button. So I would like to put the button into the center too, and I would like to change the color of it, so that will be the black color. Perfect. And now what I would like to add, I would like to add the background image. So first I would like to change the content width, so it will be the full width. Go into the style, and here we have to click on the background tab, that would be classic. Select the image from here. So right now we are searching the images from the free images by the Pixabay. So these images are actually copyright free images, so you can simply use this without any restriction. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to choose an image from here. Okay, so I will go here with this image. This is looking fine. Perfect. Okay, so now what I need to do, first I have to give a height to our container. So let's just add some height in it. So in the height, I would actually go here with 80 VH. Maybe I would go here with the 100. Perfect. Now I will put our content into the center. So let's click on justify content into the center. Now let's go back to the style, and here you have to position this into the center, and we have to change the display size to be cover. And now we have to add the background overlay. So this would be the darker color. Perfect. Now we have to change the color of our heading. So this will be white. This will be also a kind of white. And after this, I think this is looking fine. We can have the white background color over our button, and for the text color we can go here with black color. Okay, so this is looking perfect. Let's add some text here, our collection or anything that you want to put here. And after here, I would like to add some text here. So this will be something description of our collection. All right, so let's just copy and paste this for the multiple time. Okay, so I think now this is looking perfect. One thing that I need to do, I have to change the size of our heading. So let's increase the size of it. Perfect. Now this is looking fine. Okay, so after the header section, what I can do here, I would like to add one thing, that is our products. So I just simply add one column structure here. The first thing that I will do, add the heading. So this will be our products, and I will have some space. So here first I would like to change the color of it. So let's go here with the dark color, and in the typography, let's just change the weight of it. Okay, so I would go here with the light. Yeah, this is looking good. And one thing that I would need here, I would need to have some space. So let's go here into the advanced and add the padding at the top. So this would be 20, maybe 50 px. Perfect. So now what we need to do, I will add one more container, and here what I need to do, I have to create our product card. Okay, so for that we're gonna have the image first. All right, let's just go here with the free images again. All right, so here I will simply go here with this image. Perfect. So now what we need to do, we have to go back, and I will simply like to add the heading here. So let's change the font size of the heading. So this will be only 25 px. We have to put this into center. Let's just change the color to our black color. and I will also change the weight here. So that will be 300. All right. So let's go back. This will be the product one. Okay, so that is how we can add the product image and its title. And if you want to add anything else into it, you can simply do this. But right now, I'm going to simply go here with this one. Okay, so the one thing that I need to do here, I would add one more container, and this will be in the horizontal direction. Perfect. Okay, so now what we'll try to do, I will put our image container or the product container in our new container. Perfect. So now what we'll do, I'll just simply duplicate these product containers. So let's duplicate this, and let's just do it again, and let's just do this again. All right, so this is how you can create the product cards. So what I can do here, I will simply duplicate this, and now you'll be able to have our second card. Okay, so here I will simply delete the heading because we don't need this. Perfect. And let's just remove some space here. Okay, so we're gonna go back into, so we're gonna simply click on our container, and here we have to go into the advanced. Now we have to remove the padding. Now this is looking good. Okay, and here I would simply like to change the value here. So this will be the product 2, this will be the product 3, and this will be the product 4. And similarly, I would also change the value of all of these options. All right, so after this, what we'll do here, we'll simply add one more container, and this will be the 2-column structure. Okay, so here what I want you to do, I will simply add our hot selling product or something like this, or our recent product. So for that, I'm going to simply go back, and first I will add the heading, and then I will simply add the description. And if you wanted to add the button of buy now, you can simply do this as well. Perfect. So let's change the text here, buy now, and we have to go into the style, put this into the center, change the background color. Similarly for our text here, I would change the font size. So this will be the 300. And here what I need to do, I have to change the color here. So this will be the black. And let's just put this into center. Similarly, we're going to go inside our heading. And here we can simply add the name of our hot selling product. So I'm going to write down hot selling product right now. And now I'll simply put this into center. All right, now we have to change the color of it, change the typography. So let's just change the weight here. That will be 300. And also I would like to decrease the size of my paragraph here. All right, so now this is looking perfect. So now on the other side, I would simply like to add the image of our hot selling product. Let's just add the image, go to our free images. All right, so let's just imagine that this is our hot selling product. So let's insert this. And now you'll be able to see our hot selling product. Obviously, I will need to change the width of it. Let's go here with 40%. And I will need to put the text into the center. So let's click here, justify content into the center. Okay, so now this is looking perfect. And I would like to add some spacing here. So let's just add the padding from the top. This will be 50%. All right, so now this is looking great. One thing that I can do here, I can simply go back into our first container. And here I would like to add the color here, background color. That will be the black color. And here what I will do, I will just simply change the colors here. So the text color would be black. All right, so the color of our button would be white, and color of the text would be black. Similarly for our text, it will be white, a kind of grayish. And if I just click on our heading, let's just put this to the white color. All right, so after adding the hot selling product section, what we can do here, we can add the testimonials or the customer reviews section. So for that, what we need to do, we have to add one container here first. So let's just add single column structure, and I will change the direction of it to the horizontal. And here what I need to do, I will simply write down testimonial here. So let's drag this and put this here. Now you can see this, we are having single testimonial here. But what we can do here, we can simply duplicate this, and you will be able to see multiple reviews or testimonials here. Okay, so what I can do here, I would also like to add heading before our reviews here. Okay, so for that, what I need to do, I will add a new container, a single column structure. But now I need to put this before the testimonial with the help of navigator. All right, so now let's just add heading here. So this will be the client reviews. All right, and I would like to change the HTML tag. Okay, so let's just change the color here. That will be black. And let's just go into our advanced settings. And now what we need to do, we have to add the spacing. So let's just add the spacing from the top and also from the bottom as well. Now this will look good. And now in the testimonials, what we need to do, we have to do some changes here. So let's just remove the title here. And let's just remove the title from here. And also on the last one. Perfect. Now, if you wanted to add the image in the client review, you can simply do this, but I'm going to keep it like this. So this is the content that we can edit for the review. And what we can do here, we can also change the alignment. So if you wanted to put the text into the left side, you can also do this. To the right side, you can also do this, and to the center. So I would like to put this to the left side. So let's put the left side, and also with the other reviews here. So let's just put this to the left side. Now this is looking good. Perfect. Okay, one thing that I can do here in the client reviews, I would decrease the bottom padding here. Now this is looking good. And I would also like to change the color of it in our testimonial. So this will be the dark color. And I would also like to change the size of it. Perfect. Now this is looking good. Now I'm going to do the same styling on the other option. So I'll just simply copy this, and I'll do the right click here and do the paste style and also the paste style here. Now this is looking perfect. And if you wanted to customize the design in the other options, such as the image name in the title, you can do this from here. So we're going to change the name here. So let's change the color here. This would be black color, and same goes for the other reviews. Alright, so now this is looking good. And one thing that I need to do, I have to add the spacing at the bottom. So let's click on our container here. Now we have to go into the advanced, add the padding. We would need to add the padding at the bottom. Now this would look perfect. Now let's just update this. Now what we need to do, we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. Alright, so now first thing that we need to do, we have to set our home page as the main page of our website. So for that, what we need to do, we have to go inside the settings and click on the reading. And here you can see the option of the home page. So here we have to select our page that we have designed. So let's click on the home page, click on save changes. Now if I just click on our visit site, now you'll be able to see that our home page is the main page of our website, and we have our hero section, we have our products, and then we have the hot selling product, and in the last we are having client reviews. All right, so this is how we can design the home page in the Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.